Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Husqvarna 394 XP chainsaw, 94 cc's. This one features a 28-inch sprocket nose bar, 3/8 pitch, and that's a chisel bit, 50 gauge, and a skip sequence. You can see the spacing between the teeth. And we'll look at some of the features this saw has. Kill switch is right here on the left. Choke's on the right. It has the operator presence lever right here. It won't throttle up. No throttle until you get your hand in place. Nice safety feature. Decompression valve right here. This blue button, push it in. Pops out automatically when the chainsaw starts. And protector right here in case of a chain throwing incident. So you got some protection there. Doubles as a foot pad when starting this high compression motor. Get your foot in place, grip on the handlebars. You can start this high compression motor on the ground. Working chain brake. It's a large quiet tone muffler. Falling spikes, 2 of them. Chain tensioner, loosen the 2 bar nuts up. Tucked up here on the inside right here is your tensioner. Wrap handlebars. Just a very heavy duty chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.